I'm not gonna lie, brother, them other videos, great. They're so entertaining to watch. Like I really just be over at my girl's house and I'll just turn them on. Like I'm like, look, bro, look what Chris did. The Top of the Mountains video is out. I watched it within like the first hour it dropped or something.
3 levels is kind of how we have it split. My plan is to get PoE switches to every level and then run them back to this closet. This is his office. We're gonna put AC here with an outdoor fisheye. And we're also gonna put a camera, a mini, and a viewing station. So I need to get a TV, and we need to get a viewing station here, and I need to drop a cat. These are the doors to the outside. We're just putting door sensors on to see if they're open or not. This has access control on it here, and we're gonna put the intercom here. Because this is where deliveries walk up. Camera seeing who's coming up, and we're gonna have a card reader here to get inside.
You're putting an iPad here, I think.
Yep,
right?
we're putting an alarm console right here. We have one camera that we want shooting from that banister down here, and it's gonna be the CD62, where they're gonna live stream some of the services from that camera on their website. The other room over on the other side of this is gonna have an environmental sensor for the candles so that we can make sure the candles don't catch on fire. So you'll have, on the other side of the room, you'll have an environmental sensor, and then in this altar, you'll have one camera. And we have a camera right here, because this is the main door that everybody walks in the morning. They already have some cable molding, and then everything is run on top of this. We want a camera in this stairwell.
Yeah.
So I kind of think it should go there to see both stairs. Just throw a mini over there. So this is where that CD62 will be.
We could do that camera right there, and then we could take this one over, run it over here, down the wall.
And then cable mold it down.
Out the wall right there, cable mold it down right here, and over here we got the camera
And
here.
follow the same path to get over here.
It's all the same path to come over here to get this. Yes, you're following me, yes.
This used to be my bread and butter.
So we'll have 3 exterior cameras. One goes here,
There.
and then 2 either side of the bell. He already has these motion sensors.
Conduit.
We can reuse the conduit and pull those off.
Okay.
And then put one there and one there. This one's down here to catch this door. Those are up there to catch anybody who comes from the top.
I so badly just want to step on the bell.
One time.
What?
Do the other one.
That made me feel so nice.
I didn't know those did that. Oh, well, I guess it's a rope thing.
Yeah, it's all pulley. That's what I was looking at.
I wanted this one here to catch this.
I like that. Yep.
You're gonna get a workout too. I'm gonna build a wood thing, clamp, if you will, cleat, if you will. Actually, it's better, it's cleat. It has 2 pieces that'll fit over this and kind of secure it right to this, and then it'll come down like this and secure here. And the camera will just sit on top of it.
It's the AC41 access control panel, 4 doors, Verkada, the best. Got to get you like a little red dot or something, you know what I'm saying? I'm filming.
I am installing some raceway, lots of it. Lots and lots of raceway. Probably close to 200 feet. And it has to look pretty. So we're just trying to make it look as pretty as possible. So there's gonna be 3 cameras up here, one facing from each side of the bell and one facing the door coming into the bell. So yesterday we ran a bunch of raceway right here to get some lines out to this J box right here. And then that goes up to here. We installed this camera right here. This is actually looking at the bells right now and is actually viewed so they can have a live bell ringing concert And the other one is just for protection, and it's faced out this way to see if nobody else is coming into the bell. This one right here sees everybody coming in this door. On their balcony right here in a temporary location, we're gonna be building a little mount for them to go over this banister so we don't have to damage the banister at all. And then we also ran all that conduit along the wall right there, came out, popped out right here, went along the floor up to another camera. And this one views both of these hallways. We have door sensors, we have doors, we have cameras, we have glass break sensors, and then I'll give you an update after all those.